Are you listening? Is anybody listening? Walk into the room and you can smell the Clive Christensen. A lot of niggas is threatened by my positioning. Thrilling bars, you think I'm writing with John Grisham pen. I need rosé, never mind the pricing. No, we brought cake to the party, no icing. No ice on, big phantom, no license. Fuck if you feeling me as long as your wife is. No one in my city got a pocket like Drizzy. I could rock fitted jeans cause my credit card's skinny. It's pitch black and covers all incidentals. And Miss Wrong, sorry you ain't noticed my potential. Fuck y'all rappers in your self-proclaimed status. I can only see green now, happy St. Patty's. Yeah, I know you waiting on the last quote. Check the sound scan, you can see that I'm the last hope. I don't think they really ready for my wardrobe. I show up right before the store close and blow the fee for my last 4 shows. I do 1 song and use 4 flows. She used to be a Christian before, and now all she wanna do is shop for Christian Dior clothes. Like, baby, those are cute, I adore those. Me and the salesman build a rapport so he understands the fact that I'm spending offshore dough. Cash only transactions, homie, and please no receipts. The feds like to explore those. They can't audit if they don't know I bought it. Been doing it for years, homie, thoroughly I've thought it through what it do. I am currently recorded on a track, admitting most of my currency's imported. But too late now, it's too legitimate to hit them with a lawsuit, even if those are acts that I did commit. Repeat offender, Anita Baker playing in the whip as they pull me over my sweet surrender. I got a Jewish lawyer as my lead defender. A Mitchkite, as they say, is a legal bender. And ATF is present, every regal member. The coalition, we so efficient. You have to be invited or there's no admission. We know tradition, we spend money, so don't try to compete if you are in no position. I wish you would listen. I take you back to this trial where I am about to be home again like New Edition. My footage is solely meant for the shoe it fits in. Used to record in the basement that Rennie grew his piffin'. When Pops turned over keys like a new ignition. If Hove is Jordan, I guess I'm cool with Pippen. Till I mention that I wanna play a new position. No team playing, no screen setting. Because I wanna win games, coach, I'm through assisting. The takeover, the break's over, nigga. And I'ma keep killing them until the day that Drake's over. The wait's over, the tape's coming. They bullshitting, but I am equipped with great plumbing. The human mentality so eager to hate something. I try to play it off like it ain't jumping. And it's the predicament that you found Drake in. The condo that I just purchased sound vacant. Cause I have just been sitting in the cell thinking what I could've done to make my first video groundbreaking. And whenever I'm flowing on the mic, aside from talking about the D I'm throwing in your wife, I treat this one session as if it were my last. And I pretend tomorrow is the day I'm going in for life like that. Okay, I got these girls quite hype. Only thing on right now like a nightlight. While my brother Wayne rocking out like a white stripe. I'ma kill a game, I'm the young money white knight. Yeah, plus I'm looking for the right type. Cautious of a flood, so I always lay the right pipe. West put me on the marquee flight life. Plus I go hard for the women that I might wipe.